Hello, this is Dilantha from FXEmpire, and we are looking at Zoom video communications today. And as you can see, Zoom shares surged by 13% yesterday, and the price action was largely driven by the optimism surrounding the first quarter earnings of the company that are scheduled to be released later today after the market close. Anyways, if you go back in time, if you go 12 months down the line, we can see that there's little reason to be optimistic about the share price performance of Zoom after reporting quarterly earnings. Now, in this chart, I have circled in red the time periods when Zoom reported quarterly earnings. Now, as you can clearly see, in each and every instance after reporting earnings, Zoom shares have dropped. But not to forget, in each one of these instances, Zoom reported better than expected revenue and better than expected earnings, but still the share price dropped. And that was because of traders and investors booking their profits after Zoom reported its quarterly earnings. And there's reason to believe that it would be similar this time around as well. And there's another confirmation for that as well. Now, as you can see, I have drawn a channel here. Since mid-March, Zoom shares have traded in this channel. And after reporting earnings, it makes sense for Zoom shares to drop somewhere to around here and then form a new channel, which would be a sideways channel, which would imply a sideways movement of Zoom shares in the coming weeks. And there's one major reason for me to think so. The thing is, as the American economy and the global economy reopens, Zoom is likely to report a drop in the number of daily active users. So that is not going to be taken well by market participants. So it makes sense for Zoom shares to come out of this channel and trade sideways for at least a week until the formation of a new channel, a new trend. So that new trend could be either an upwards move or else a downward move. And that would really depend on the comments of Zoom executives today about the upcoming quarters, and of course on how the reopening of the global economy moves forward in the coming weeks.